This is the MFJS Keychain 3x3. This cube sells for around $3 at the Cubicle or SpeedCube shop. Locally, I got it for 95 pesos, which is slightly less than $2. It has bright colors and frosted exteriors, similar to the MF3RX. Wow, imagine having a cube this small. It measures just 3.5 centimeters across, making it about 2/3 the width of a typical 3x3. However, it is slightly bigger than some other keychain cubes, such as the GAN 330. The cube with the keychain weighs approximately 32.6 grams, while the cube by itself weighs approximately 26.3 grams. In my opinion, this cube's corner cutting is really good for its size, as it can corner cut over 45 degrees. In addition, it can reverse corner cut about 2/3 of a piece. Now, I will do some algorithms with the cube. I find it quite smooth and fast. However, one major flaw it has is how easily I can twist the corners. This is especially detrimental when doing algorithms for the last layer. Another thing I don't like about this cube is how the keychain disturbs my solves. Soon, I realized that the keychain is actually removable. This allows one to remove it, play with it, then put it back. It's actually really fun to solve this cube without the keychain. It has a different feeling than a normal 3x3. A big plus about this cube is its quietness. Just listen to how loud a normal cube is. If you solve a normal cube in class, the teacher is going to be like,
Confiscated. Confiscated. Confiscated.
I average just 5 seconds slower than my normal 3x3 solves. Overall, I really like this puzzle. It would be great when the coronavirus pandemic is over. Just attach it to your bag and you can play with it anywhere you go. It also does not disturb the surrounding people as it is very quiet. As always, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.